Well, I've decided to get back into RC flying again. I haven't been doing it for quite a long time, and I've had a drone in the past, but it didn't work properly, and rather than returning it, I foolishly scrapped it all for parts and just used the parts for other things like RC planes and stuff. But this drone is the Bugs 3. This one's a Drocon branded, but it can be MGX as well. It's just basically a slap-on name. I learned on this drone just the basic controls. This is a very, very safe little drone. If it crashes, it's not going to damage itself or anyone else really. But now that I've learned that, I decided to get this. One word of advice though, don't even use the charger that comes with it. I was measuring the voltage coming out of it, and it would charge a battery to over 4.2 per cell, which can cause a fire. It wasn't massively over, but it was still too high. So I'm using my own charger and charging it to 4.1 per cell to maximise lifespan. I've also heard reports that this drone can sometimes just take off and just fly up and up and up and then just disappear completely. So I'll show you a good way to prevent stuff like that from happening. A good safe way to test drones. So it's a beautiful October morning with not very much wind, so that's perfect. And now with the drone all calibrated, you can watch other videos on that. I'm not going to go into it in this one. We'll get it flying. So this is basically my way to prevent mishaps and drones flying away and crashing into stuff. I'm going to fly it basically anchored to the ground, so I've got a length of kite string here, so if this thing decides to do something stupid, it's not going to fly away and crash into somebody's house. So let's just give it a little flight. There is a little bit of wind, so I'm not able to keep it perfectly in position, but it does fly nicely. Yeah, it kind of got caught up in the string there, but this whole thing has given me another idea. You get for like silly money these tethered drone systems where you can actually have a cable going up to the drone supplying it with power so it can fly for an unlimited amount of time. So that's a project that I'm going to start. I'm going to make a system whereby I can supply power to this drone. I might supply 48 volts up to it and have a step down converter on the drone to step it down to the voltage that it needs, 7.4, and then I'll be able to fly it as long as I want and do like aerial video and stuff like that. I do plan on lifting a 35mm film camera with this, just a compact one, and I think it would just be able to do it, but I'll need to make up a triggering system. I'll make more videos about that in the future, but yeah, it seems like a good little drone.